Okay, so now we are going to begin to set the hydroplanes up. And what I'm drawing here so very badly is the output from the receiver, which goes through the self-leveling device and then goes to the stern hydroplane. That's all fairly straightforward. Goes from channel 3. Then we have another wire going from channel 3 which goes to the terrible drawing, which actually goes to the Arduino Nano input. And the output from the Nano, and it's just the signal wire that goes in and out from the Nano, goes to the bow hydro, obviously with the 4.8 volts and the ground. And that is managed. This drawing doesn't look very accurate here, but but we use a relay on that bank of relays to switch the power to the bow hydro on and off. And the reason for that is that while the Nano is booting up, and it only takes a couple of seconds, the hydroplane goes nuts. So I just wait until the hydroplane, till the Nano boots up, then it turns on that relay, thus connecting up the hydro. Now as you can see, I've got this strip of 6 wires, and I'm writing down right now what goes where. We've got the signal, the positive and the negative. That's the wire that's going to go to the Nano. Those are the wires that go through the V-tail mixer, and that's all nicely in place. And you can see that runs now out through the bow. And here we have the micro gyro self-leveling device and the cable for that, and it all connects up to this lovely strip, and that's going to go all the way down to the stern, and I've got them wired up just temporarily here to the 2 hydroplanes. So I've got a switch now on the bow, turn it on, and that's the rudder hydro with the looking rather awkward with that bit of stuff in it. But the hydroplane hydro is not working at all. I find out what the problem is, can't remember now. Turn it on again, and this time, let's get that out of the way a bit, and this time when I move the level of the control room, you can see that hydro is working perfectly. So that's going to be the stern hydroplane. All good. That's a very nice feeling. But now we have to get them all lined up. Now that is the Nano, and these are all of the wires that are going to be coming out of it, and I've not only numbered them, I've made them all different colors. And it's going to sit, I think, just over there on the starboard side, just rear of the radio unit. And these are just wires that I bought through Arduino, cheapest chips. But this is great. I can use all of these colors. And these sockets on the ends of these wires fit directly into my radio receiver. So I'm going to start by just wiring these to the Nano so that I can get these inputs working straight away. So once again, we tin the wire, trim it a bit, and then you can see I've already soldered quite a number of wires to the Nano, and that it's up there in the vise just being held horizontally. I'm just doing this again, that's right, I'm just tinning this wire. A little bit of duplication here. That's one yes, I'm just trimming that yet again. And that's very handily placed up there, just to be able to push up to the appropriate pin on the Nano. It's good to know that as you're soldering these things, it doesn't affect the Nano in any way. My soldering just looks atrocious. Honestly, I'm going blind, because when I look at it, it looks fine, and then I look at it up close like that and it looks terrible. I don't really care though. Here we go. Just putting all of the nice strips on. Heat shrink strips. So I'm not worried about the lengths of those wires. I'm just getting them all soldered on and in place, and I will connect the wires as I go along. Now I have to find something to sit this on, so I've got some perspex here which I'm just going to cut out and make it fit on top of there. I'm going to hot glue it in place and then put some double-sided tape on top of it and stick the nano onto that. Now I've plugged the inputs in. I've still got to wire in that hydro, but you can see the other wires that are coming out. I've just bundled them together, and here I am now just soldering these wires onto the relay unit, and we're ready to go. You can hear the clicks of the relays. It's music to my ears. Now the dive routine. And you can hear the clicks, and it's all working. It's just magic.